All right, we are back. Our real estate expert, Monty Moore, is joining us again to tell us what else we need to know about bouncing back after the flood with dealing with this housing market right now. Thank you for sticking around.
My pleasure.
All right, first you wanted to hit on the importance of how critical it is, even when you're buying, plus selling, but even when you're buying, about finding the correct realtor for you.
Well, I think this whole situation we're dealing with right now has brought up another reason why you want to find somebody experienced that's in the real estate business and understands the whole picture here and the ramifications of not checking a property out thoroughly. You know, I never will sell a property without a thorough inspection. I've got inspectors that do everything from top to bottom. That's absolutely crucial. But you can also, given our current situation, there are sites that you can go to find out if a home has ever had an insurance claim on it. What a lot of people don't realize is if a home has had more than a few insurance claims on it, you can't even get insurance on that home, or it's very difficult, or it's additional cost.
Really? Right. That makes sense. But I didn't know there was a way that you could check on that, so that there is. If you have the right realtor, they can do the homework for you, right?
Again, the point is to find somebody experienced, understands how to get around these kind of issues, and make sure that you're not going to have any future problems. Because the truth of the matter, Holly, is once you have closed on that property, whatever problems are inherent with that property are now yours to deal with in the future when you decide to sell it. So it's really important to make sure that property has been thoroughly examined by professionals before you ever close on it.
All right, this is everything from the physical property itself plus the house.
Well, I'm talking about the house primarily. That's what I'm referring to. When I say property, I'm talking about the house.
Okay. Now, you wanted everybody to know about your website, WeSellHomesForFree.com, and just real quickly how the program works.
Well, again, we are committed to helping people sell their homes in this crazy market that we're dealing with, and one way we're doing that is to totally waive our listing fee so that people can lower the price and help their homes sell. We've sold multiple homes this month alone already just because we're able to help people price their home correctly where it will sell in this economy. Again, we're competing with distressed properties, and now after this happened, we're competing with even more distressed properties.
Right.
So one way we can do that is by pricing the home right. And I do want to encourage everybody, if you have any questions in real estate, I've been doing this for a long time, go to my website, WeSellHomesForFree.com, click on the Channel 4 icon, and send any questions to me. I'm glad to answer them on the air or in person.
Okay, you'll take care of them.
That's right.
I know you will. All right, if you need help buying or selling your home, you can give the Moore Group a call. Here's the info again, 615-850-4330, or check out their website, WeSellHomesForFree.com. Now, for a link, just go to the Moore at Midday section of WSMV.com. It is that easy. Monty Moore, always a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.